Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing distractions. Force quit the crashing game and any heavy apps. Then restart your iPhone to flush temporary memory, which often frees the resources games need. Next, check for iOS and game updates in Settings and the App Store. Outdated software causes incompatibilities. Once done, try the game again to see if it runs. If it still crashes, keep going. We'll remove deeper causes in the next steps. You should now tackle storage and app data. Free 1 to 2 gigabytes by deleting unused files or offloading apps, because low space makes crashes more likely. Offload or delete and reinstall the game to replace corrupted data. This preserves saves if you offload. Make sure background app refresh and location services aren't overloading the CPU, and lower in-game graphics settings if available. After these changes, relaunch the game. If crashes persist, move to the final recovery steps. If the game still crashes, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer so you don't lose data, then consider a factory reset as a last resort. This removes deep system corruption that updates can't fix. Before resetting, collect crash logs in Settings Privacy Analytics and send them to the developer. That speeds diagnosis. If problems continue, try signing in with a different Apple ID or running the game on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.